Hi, I'm Kim, one of the founders of RAIDLOG.com, and I'm excited to share with you our latest groundbreaking feature, which is our Lessons Learned Recommendation Engine. Finally, there is a solution that is smart enough to understand your project and intelligently recommend applicable lessons from your past similar projects. And that's because the only thing worse than having a really big project issue is repeating that same issue over and over again in future projects. And so now you can harness the power of AI to learn from every project and apply those lessons every single time. Let me show you how it works. Here I'm in raidlog.com and I'm going to go to my list of projects. And let's see, I've got a new project here where we are developing a new product. It's a leather apron for blacksmiths. And what I'll do is I'm going to click on our button here to utilize RAIDLOG's AI. And I'm going to ask the AI to recommend lessons learned. And what happens is our system is going to look at the description of this project and use a semantic similarity search to find other projects that have similar deliverables, a similar approach, similar constraints, and recommend those back to me, highlighting which are the closest to my current project. So for my project to build a new leather apron product for blacksmiths, the number one match I have is an internet-enabled blacksmithing anvil product. Well, that's a pretty close one. We're also having a Coyote Be Gone catapult. There's another product development. And another one that's another project that doesn't seem like quite as good of a fit. So we'll skip that one and I'm going to click continue. And now what happens is the system is going to return the lessons learned for those selected projects. And I can take a look at these. So the first one here is we've got challenges with sophisticated technology integration with traditional products. Now I can see this is from my Coyote Be Gone project. I can highlight and see a little bit of the project description so I can see more about that project. And I may say that one doesn't quite fit my project description here. So let's scroll on to the next one. Next lesson learned is prototyping was very effective. The fact that we created a prototype, let our users verify it, that's a really good lessons learned. So I think what we'll do is I will add this as an action item in my current project. And now I can continue to scroll through these lessons learned, address each one of these. And as soon as I find some that look like a good match, I can select to add those. Budget allocation for emerging technologies. I might decide that might actually be, that might be fitting as a risk. And I can scroll through all of these lessons learned that are retrieved from similar projects. And when I get to the end, I can add selected items. And we've added those two items, and I can go to my RAID log. And I can see I've added those items directly to my RAID log right here. What's more, if we run our lessons learned, and let's say, for example, maybe we didn't find any really good matches, I can also have our artificial intelligence, the pre-trained large language model, make up some potential lessons learned based on its pre-trained knowledge. Let's see how that comes across. All right. A few recommendations. These are from our large language model supplier selection, identifying and selecting the right supplier who can meet quality specifications and delivery timelines. Well, that'll be very important. So we need to, let's add that as a risk. That sounds like something good to add as a risk. Quality control. Yes, that's actually good. Let's make sure we add some quality control standards. We'll add that to our project plan. So let me add an action item to make sure we do that. We can continue on through here. Look at all of these great recommendations from our AI. You can see there's quite a lot of them. And if I'm interested, I can even ask for more. But today, I like the ones that I've found. So we're going to add those to our RAID log. We've added one risk and one action right down here in our RAID log. And there we go. So it's that easy for you to apply lessons learned from past projects to current and future projects and continually improve your delivery and not repeat some of those same issues or same mistakes over and over again. And it gives you the ability to very easily leverage the power of these large language models to help improve your projects and your project planning.